How to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. In order to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit, you'll have to watch this video till the end. So basically, all you have to do is just go ahead and log in into your Bybit account first thing. And after you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. And here, go to Asset from the top right hand side corner and then go to Spot Account. Next, you have to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to transfer. So click on USDT, and under it you need to go ahead and select what you actually want to do, is whether you want to deposit, withdraw, or transfer. Since you're receiving it, so click on deposit. Now copy the wallet address. You could either download the QR code or copy the wallet address, whatever. After you've completed the procedure, now move on to the Binance account and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. From there, you have to go ahead and select withdraw from the home page itself. Now you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer. Select the asset that you're transferring and enter in the amount and click on withdraw. Also make sure to paste in the wallet address that you recently copied. And now moving on to the next procedure, that is the review process. So go ahead and complete the procedure by tapping on the complete button. And lastly, you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred USDT from Binance to Bybit. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.